I have this brilliant budget with another video on investing. Today I wanted to talk about why I go through and do daily deposits. When I first started investing a little bit earlier in July, I went through and I just started with 10 a day. I originally was inspired by another account on X. However, as I went through, I realized that this actually made it a lot easier for me. When you go through with a daily deposit, for me, $10 doesn't feel like a lot. It's just a little, snack or drink at the gas station together. Hey, that might be a little lunch, McDonald's run, breakfast, something small that, is not really much at all. It's an easily forgettable amount. But doing it daily, it adds up. In a week, it's $70. If you went through and did your deposit weekly, $70 feels like a lot more than just $10 a day. Same thing bi-weekly. Okay, with every paycheck, $140 it feels like a lot more going out at once than it does just $10 a day. Now, what about every month? That's $300, $310, depending on the month. It feels like a lot more. And here's the part about it. When you break things into chunks like this, it makes it more comfortable. You do this with goals. You don't just go through and say, I want to lose 50 pounds, and then just keep going until you lose 50. Sometimes you want to have little goals and steps. Hey, I want to lose 5 pounds by the end of the month. Oh, wait, another 10 or another 5 pounds. Keep going from there. It's all about sustainability with this. Another thing that I think is really important is the fact that it frames my mindset on my spending. If I go through and spend now, sometimes I think, oh, shoot, I spent $50. That's literally 5 days of deposits. It makes me second guess some of my wasteful spending. Those little things here are just subconscious things that help me to go through, be better with my money, but also will actually keep me investing. And lastly, it just keeps that habit going. Doing it every single day builds that habit, really gets going. While doing it weekly, bi-weekly, I'm a forgetful person. If I forget, then dang, I just forgot a whole week's worth. But going through daily, I don't have time to forget. It's just as natural as going through, waking up, getting dressed, brushing my teeth, getting ready for work. Going through and doing that, it's just natural now. But that's pretty much the whole reason why I invest daily. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Please subscribe to The Brilliant Budget for more videos like this. Thank you. Have a great day.